Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I have a special guest. He's my dear husband and he's going to teach you a very delicious dessert. It's called
Muddy Creek.
Muddy Creek. So let's go start.
Keep on. Muddy Creek is just a name to put together for a nice sweet. I put this together for some friends who had kids, and I thought they would like to be entertained with some of the interesting treats that can be purchased commonly at any store. And you know, most kids, they don't really care too much for yogurt, and this is a yogurt recipe. At the store, we picked up some vanilla yogurt, and any vanilla yogurt will do.
Yeah.
First thing, just take a quantity of vanilla yogurt and dump it into any bowl. And if you're like me, you probably don't want to lose a bit, and I always scrape out everything. Okay, so scrape out your vanilla yogurt into any container. Now this white container we're just doing for demonstration purposes only. I'm usually really lazy. I will do it just directly into a small container for later. Take your yogurt, and keep in mind, I've already removed the top on this, so don't think that it came from the store with the top off. So just scrape a portion of the yogurt into the container. Then I add what every kid likes, Nesquik powdered chocolate.
And big kids too.
I'm not going to mention the big kids because, yeah, they're big kids. So just put a portion in. It doesn't really matter. It could be a weak chocolate flavor or a strong chocolate flavor. And then take a nice spoon and stir it up. And you want to get it stirred up so that even the clumps of chocolate are broken up and distributed in the yogurt. So here, take a close-up look, and you can see, I didn't mix this up all the way. So I'm going to try to leave it like this as a variety. You can blend it completely or just blend it partially. Now, what I'm going to do is take some of each here and spoon it into a container. The reason I'm using 2 containers is because, just for demonstration purposes only, I'm going to use 2 different fruits that are a favor to all kids around.
Can you have dessert first before dinner?
Sure. We're adults, we can do whatever we want. Then I will take some red raspberries and dump the red raspberries into one of the containers. Well, that doesn't work quite right. I would take this clump of defrosted red raspberries. Frozen is better, but we had an incident with our raspberries. And here, these are just a little bit on the mushy side. But does it really matter, because you're going to mix them up anyways. In another one, take some blueberries. Just dump a portion of blueberries into the container. And then you might want to stir it up a little bit. And that will, of course, stir up the chocolate and the vanilla. And get another spoon here to stir up the blueberries. Now, our friends told us that this was like a treasure hunt. That's kind of cool because it's always nice to have some sort of entertainment with your nice treat. Here I'm just going to take some more of this and this mixture, put it here with the vanilla, with the blueberry one. Now, to make it really adventurous,
That's the fun part.
in this batch, I'm going to add in the treasure. The blueberries and raspberries were already a treasure, but as you know, every kid, or at least most of them, likes M&ms. So put in some M&ms. Don't want to put in too many, just saturate your treat with M&ms. And then there's another one with the Espero Golden Bears. These are sour, and society has definitely graduated to enjoying sour food. So I'm going to just mix up those M&ms in here a little bit. And of course, you know, since this is such a moisture, those M&ms will probably bleed through the yogurt. And just take a whole bunch, about a small handful, and dump it into the yogurt. Now I get a close up here. We have the bears sitting on top. Then, depending on how many participants will be enjoying this, take some maraschino cherries and drop it on top. And even if it's just one, give the person 3. If you got a family of 6, make sure you have at least 6 maraschino cherries to hand out. And there you have it, a quick treat with lots and lots of flavors. And as our friends have told us, it's a treasure hunt.
Okay.
And thank you for watching today.
Bye everyone, thanks for watching. Tchau pessoal e até a próxima.